Bearing in mind we're in Smalley.
The talented Mr.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. How would they know? How would they know? How would they know? I can't. Oh my God.
Tomorrow, golly, I don't know. I'm about to go home.
Why you keep on saying tomorrow?
Because tomorrow is when it's gonna happen.
Tomorrow.
Oh my God.
Tomorrow.
Hit the hoe, B-Lo. Hit the hoe. Yeah, baby. Oh, shit. No.
Look at the top of his head.
Back of his neck looked like a sirloin steak burger. Oh, he tried it.
I don't need a front, bro. Hold on. You gotta go next. Oh, I'm beating your ass. On D. Hey, boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no 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 fucking way, boy.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy. I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. Do you have any idea how fast I am? I'm fast as fuck, boy. I'm fast as fuck, boy. I'm fast as fuck. You already know who it is. It's your boy. Fresh. Yo.
Why, how stupid would I be to do that?
I didn't say you
That's
were holding.
stupid, guys.
I didn't.
Is this camera on me?
Yes, it's on.
That's stupid. Use your common sense. Don't forget.
Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be suspicious.